Hello guys, here is my Sephora package. It came to me today and this is how it's packaged. Let's take off. So here we've got receipt, and here we've got my order, which is festival palette. It's packed like for a gift. I will open it, and here is how it looks like. It looks like this. So inside we've got paper, red one, which looks really cute. Here we've got some samples. So I've got Sephora Total Age Defy Cream. I hope it is nice to try out. Then I've got another sample, which is Prestige Global Infinity Cream for night. I think I ordered another samples. I'm disappointed, as I wanted to get another ones. Here is another sample, another anti-wrinkle cream. This one I think I ordered, but I ordered the Benefit Pore something and they didn't give me it. Primer, Benefit primer, I think I wanted to have and they not gave. They gave instead some cheap cream. And this is what I've ordered. It's Sephora Color Festival Palette with 130 colors makeup palette. I think I will do a review on it on my channel, but here I just want to show you very briefly. So it's in nice package. Sephora looks like this. And let me see it open. So here it is. Ta-da! And it goes like this. So here are some eyeshadows. Here are glosses, lip glosses. And then open like this. Here are cream eyeliners. And here lip glosses again, and lip and cheeks. Some makeup tutorial here, and here we have cheek blushes, and then so it looks like this. Eyeshadows, and here like this you open, and you have another eyeshadows, and here you've got mirror, and here when I close this, and here also eyeshadows. Nice. Brown colors, some are matte colors, and some are with shimmer. I can zoom. See, most of them are shimmery. I really like this one. I wanted yellow or goldish eyeshadows, so here they are. Green I don't like rather, but I like this silver one, and here are blue and red or pink. I think I mostly will use brown and gray, but we will see. Okay, so I'm closing it right now, and that was my brief Sephora unpacking of Sephora eyeshadow palette. Thanks for watching. Please give me the thumbs up if you like, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.